Hello guys, for today's videos I've got a package again from SY Glow Cosmetics and let's unbox what's inside. As you can see, puro mga sabon yung pinapadala sa akin kasi mabilis maubos yung sabon ko and addict ako sa sabon nila. Ito yung 10 times whitening soap nila na favorite ko sa lahat. At ito naman yung bagong soap na pinadala nila sa akin, itong SY Glow Papaya Intense Peeling Soap with kojic acid, milk, and honey. Nakasale siya ngayon guys, like 118 4 pieces na siya. O diba, saan pa kayo? Super mura and super effective pa. And I really love SY Glow Cosmetics na mga sabon nila kasi dito talaga ako pumuti guys. So marami akong stocks ng mga sabon for today's video. And ito pa yung favorite ko guys, the 7 Whitening Challenge 10 times Bleaching Whipped Cream. Ginagamit ko siyang maintenance as 3 times a week bago ako maligo. And I really love the result. Hindi siya harsh, hindi siya mahapde. Parang wala lang. Pero after mong gamitin to guys, nakakaputi talaga siya. Ito yun siya, parang whipped cream. Etong 10 times whitening soap nila guys, color pink and mayroon siyang peel off or micro peeling effect with arbutin and niacinamide. Ito naman papaya intense peeling soap with kojic acid and milk and honey is color orange. So if you wanna order all of this product from SY Glow Cosmetics, just check the yellow basket below. Bye bye, see you guys, love you.